What happened to your bike?
Well, it's a very big story, and I think we should make a documentary. We were doing a 140 mile an hour slipstream, or kilometers per hour slipstream, and we were all racing. We were tucked in as tight as we could go, and then we noticed that what's his name, Liam, his airbox came open, and that was going to give him the benefit of getting a few extra horsepower, because he'd make it a little bit leaner, give him a bit more top end, and so we thought we're not having any of that, so we pulled over quick.
Just because you know I kicked your ass.
We're just about to kick our ass.
And my bike's a lot faster than his.
Motherfucker. Anyway. So it's
How
all good.
fast is that fucking bus driving?
I don't know.
This is not for the wanderers and vacationers. This is for all the brave hearts out there. The ones who breathe exploration. The ones who love adventure. The ones who are led by brotherhood. The ones who stick to the rules. The ones who preach persistence. The ones who fall but leap past their obstacles with a smile on their faces. This is for the riders.
It's going exceedingly well. Not necessarily according to plan, but exceedingly well.
It's 150 kph down a hill with you on the back to catch up with the rest of them.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I wonder how am I still alive?
Dodging tuk-tuks and HGVs.
Who's late?